the roads that they service, and it does cause jams and safety hazards. It's about quality of life. We are very conscious about the quality of life for our residents and visitors alike. And if in case of an emergency, whether it's a hurricane or a storm coming this way, we cannot timely move people across the bridges, across the canal. There's a serious safety issue, and that needs to be taken care of with this. The delays that we have hurt residents and it hurts businesses alike. Yesterday, an agent had a 12 o'clock appointment. She left Yarmouth for Sandwich 2 hours early. She was a half an hour late. You cannot conduct business with this type of roadways. And it's not just on the major roads. It's not just on Route 6A and Route 6. It's spilling over into the neighborhoods. GPS systems are allowing people to find their way through the streets that used to be back roads and now jamming up neighborhoods and not allowing people to get to the business and making appointments and just going to restaurants. The spillover is also causing pollution. The cars are sitting still for too long, and now we have an air quality issue as well. It's more about, it's absolutely about the quality of life overall, so that we're not just talking bridges, we're also talking about bike paths and pedestrian access to all the businesses and for all the restaurants, etc.